and he named him Noah. As people increased on the earth, so did wickedness. Violence filled the world, and the thoughts of mankind became evil.
But Noah,
Righteous
faithfully
man
with God,
who walked faithfully, I will destroy all life with a flood. Build an ark of cypress wood. You will bring your family into the ark and 2 of every living creature to keep them alive.
I will do everything you command.
Noah obeyed God and built the ark.
Day by day, the ark began to rise, a vessel unlike anything the world had ever seen.